Like most other pharmaceutical organisations, we have a really strong data-driven mindset. Probably really over the last 3 or 4 years, we've homed in on data is power. It's about change management on how we get the data that you provide us and use it internally as well. But the offerings that you provide, as well as the service, is kind of the innovation around data. What's out there, what's not, what can we be doing differently? And with those insights, really sit down with our leadership teams, and our leadership teams have a clear understanding that with this is the decisions that you can kind of make as well. And I think most importantly, it's trusted. Being trusted in pharmaceutical industry is hugely important, right? There's a lot of companies doing a lot of things and jumping on the data bandwagon, but collaborating with the right partner makes good sense to us. Information is gold standard. If we're working with the gold standard, we just need to know how to use it. And I think what become behind that is the people and the passion that IQVIA bring to the table. Most importantly, it gives us results. What I mean by that is the value that it brings in terms of competitor insights. And in a dynamic world that we're working with, also in the way that we're engaging with our customers, all us and our competitors are really trying different things out. Without IQVIA data and what it brings, it's really difficult to kind of put your finger on what's happening in the market. Things like market sizing is one thing, but looking at who our customers are within that market is also another. Launches, we're always innovating, and again our competitors are always innovating as well, right? So looking at what the market dynamics are, as well as what they're doing in the basics of market share and share of growth has a huge value. Again, it's a foundation of where we start when we're looking at our numbers and we're looking at any data. One of our biggest challenges is data foundation. What I mean by that is my role is to kind of navigate data around the whole of international operations, which means we're covering 84 different markets, 28 key markets, and the only place that we're not covering is America and South America. I mean, that is the challenge. I think IQVIA is a huge organization, works from a country, region and global perspective, the same as we do, to bring everything together and kind of shout from one voice, whether it be us or whether it be IQVIA, is probably one of the key challenges which I think we could all work better on, and that's what the value brings. Is that I would say IQVIA's biggest value proposition is obviously the data, but it's that collaborating the data sets and bringing the whole package to a pharmaceutical organization going, if you are launching, this is what we can offer, this is how it can help you during your launch journey, rather than going product by product. So collaboration internally helps collaboration externally. It's connection, right? I love the phrase connecting the dots. That's just me trying to speak to the right person internally. But ultimately, what we are here is to help our patients, right? And what IQVIA do is help us, help our HCPs, ultimately help our patients. And that's the key. In different terms, if we're looking at the types of data that you provide us and the types of insight and the service that you provide us, we can really home in to ensure that the insights that we're giving to our reps or directly to our HCPs are helping them connect to their network in different ways to help influence in the right direction for our patients ultimately to get their to get the medicines that they should be on.